Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about latest immigration news. Significant Supreme Court decisions impact immigration. So, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. In recent developments, the U.S. Supreme Court has issued critical decisions that promise to reshape the landscape of immigration law, significantly impacting various facets of policy and practice across the country. This update explores key rulings and their implications for both current and future immigration proceedings. Chevron Decision and its impact on immigration. One of the most consequential rulings from the Supreme Court involves the Chevron doctrine, a long-standing legal principle that has guided how courts defer to administrative agencies' interpretations of ambiguous statutes enacted by Congress. The recent decision marks a departure from this doctrine, signaling a shift towards greater judicial scrutiny over agency interpretations. Previously, under Chevron, courts were required to defer to agency interpretations unless they were unreasonable. Significance for immigration. The implications of overturning Chevron are profound for immigration law. Historically, agencies like the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services and the Board of Immigration Appeals have wielded significant authority in interpreting immigration statutes and regulations. This deference has sometimes resulted in controversial decisions that adversely affected immigrants. With Chevron no longer providing a shield of deference, federal courts now have more latitude to review and potentially overturn agency decisions. Potential benefits and challenges. For immigration advocates and legal professionals, this shift opens new avenues for challenging unfavorable agency decisions through litigation. The American Immigration Lawyers Association has highlighted the potential for increased success in overturning denials of immigration benefits and petitions previously upheld by administrative bodies. This change could lead to more equitable outcomes and greater consistency across different judicial circuits, as courts interpret immigration laws independently of agency biases or interpretations. Impact on DACA and executive action. The decision's ripple effects extend to programs like deferred action for childhood arrivals, which has faced legal challenges and uncertain future under changing administrations. While the Chevron decision could theoretically enable more challenges to DACA-related policies, any changes would still require litigation and court rulings to take effect. This introduces a layer of complexity and uncertainty for DACA recipients and immigration advocates navigating an already tumultuous legal landscape. Biden administration's Waiver initiative. In contrast to the judicial developments, the Biden administration has introduced a new pathway aimed at facilitating legal status for DACA recipients and other undocumented immigrants. This initiative includes provisions for waivers that could potentially mitigate issues related to unlawful presence and inadmissibility for certain individuals. The streamlined process seeks to expedite approvals for those who qualify, allowing them to obtain visas and return to the United States legally after meeting specified criteria. Challenges and consideration. While the Chevron decision offers promise for judicial oversight and potential redress in immigration cases, it also raises concerns about increased litigation and potential inconsistencies in application across different federal circuits. Moreover, the broader implications of judicial scrutiny over administrative decisions could influence future executive actions and legislative reforms concerning immigration policy. In conclusion, the recent Supreme Court decisions regarding Chevron and the Biden administration's initiatives represent pivotal moments in U.S. immigration law. The shift away from agency deference under Chevron offers new opportunities for legal challenges and reform efforts, potentially reshaping how immigration policies are interpreted and applied nationwide. As stakeholders and immigrants alike navigate these changes, the role of legal advocacy and judicial review will remain crucial in shaping the future landscape of immigration in the United States. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about latest immigration news. Significant Supreme Court decisions impact immigration. In recent Supreme Court decisions, a pivotal shift away from Chevron doctrine is set to redefine US immigration law. Historically, Chevron required courts to defer to administrative agencies' interpretations of ambiguous statutes, giving agencies like USCIS and the BIA significant authority over immigration decisions. The recent decision overturns this doctrine, granting federal courts greater latitude to review and potentially overturn agency decisions. This change is expected to empower immigration advocates by facilitating challenges to unfavorable agency rulings, potentially leading to more equitable outcomes across different judicial circuits. The impact extends beyond judicial proceedings to programs like DACA, which faces ongoing legal uncertainties. While the Chevron decision could enable more challenges to DACA-related policies, such changes would require further litigation. Concurrently, the Biden administration has introduced a waiver initiative aimed at easing barriers for DACA recipients and undocumented immigrants seeking legal status. This initiative includes streamlined processes for obtaining waivers, potentially mitigating issues related to unlawful presence and admissibility. Despite promising greater judicial oversight, the shift from Chevron raises concern about increased litigation and potential inconsistencies across federal circuits. It also underscores broader implications for executive actions and legislative reforms in immigration policy. These developments mark significant moments in U.S. immigration law, promising to reshape interpretations and applications for immigration policies nationwide. As stakeholders navigate these changes, the role of legal advocacy and judicial review will be pivotal in shaping the future landscape of immigration in the United States.